7-Pace Timetracker's private views increase productivity by providing quick access to your preferred report configurations. Let's take a look at how this feature works. To begin, open the Times Explorer. In the upper right-hand corner, note that we are currently looking at the default view. Now, let's make a change. Click the Filter button and specify that we only want to see issues from the hybrid project. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, open the View drop-down and click Save as New View. Enter a name for the new view and click Save Layout. Now, you can quickly toggle between the default view and work logs in the hybrid project. Next, let's assume that we want to save another private view. With the hybrid time tracking view active, click Group By and select Key from the drop-down menu. To save this view, click the drop-down in the upper right-hand corner. Here, we can either update the existing hybrid time tracking private view or click Save as New View. Note that when you move from the Times Explorer to another page, for example monthly, and then back to the Times Explorer, the last view remains current. To delete a view, simply click the Delete button to the right of the view name. Note that there is an Undo option that displays in the lower right-hand corner, just in case the private view was deleted by accident. To summarize, 7-Pace Timetracker includes the ability to create private views. These views in the Times Explorer increase productivity by providing quick access to your preferred report configurations.